Alright, so we're here about to launch a rocket. It's July 16th. We got 10 minutes on the clock. The wind is 230 degrees at 4 knots. So it's over that way. The wind's blowing that way. And I'm about to start the timer at 10 minutes. And can't see what I'm doing here. Did I start it? Yes. Countdown from 10 minutes. Wind blowing that way, 230 degrees at 4 knots. Right there, can you read it? 230 degrees, 4 knots. Scattered clouds at 7,000 feet, countdown started. Minutes until the rocket launch. Wind is still the wind is the same as before. Blowing that way, 4 knots. And there's the rocket right there. Going way up there. Those clouds are at 7,000 feet. 1.5 minutes left. No more cap on top. You can see. There's the wire. Rocket's about to be. Launch is holding at 30 seconds. It's going to hold the timer at 30 seconds. The countdown was held at 30 seconds. The rocket is no longer armed. 30 seconds. We'll be picking it up shortly. Wind gust now, so we're going to still hold the countdown. Still holding it at 30 seconds because of the wind gust. Starting the countdown from 30 seconds. 10 seconds, the rocket will be armed. The rocket will be armed in 10 seconds when it hits 10 seconds. Right now we're at 23. 20 seconds holding. 9-knot wind from 190 degrees. Holding at 19 seconds. The timer was stopped at 19 seconds because of wind. We're going to be starting it. It died down. Starting. 18. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy man! Wow, look how shiny that is.
Somewhere over there.
Way off. Oh, look at the framers.
Oh, you can see. I can't see it because of the sun. Somewhere way over there. I don't see it. Oh.